Unlocking the secrets of sound. Mastering instruments with a tuning app. Hello, and welcome to another exciting episode on our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that bridges music and technology, using a tuning app. Whether you're a musician, a music enthusiast, or just curious about how technology aids in perfecting musical instruments, you're in the right place. Let's explore the meaning and usage of this phrase together, and how it's revolutionizing the way we tune instruments. At its core, using a tuning app refers to the process of employing a software application, typically on a smartphone or tablet, to adjust the pitch of musical instruments to the correct frequency. These apps use the device's microphone to listen to the sound produced by the instrument and provide visual feedback, guiding the user to tighten or loosen the strings or adjust other parts until the perfect pitch is achieved. It's a modern twist to the traditional method of tuning by ear or using a tuning fork. Tuning apps offer a plethora of benefits, making them a popular choice among musicians of all levels. Here are a few key advantages. Accuracy. These apps provide precise pitch detection, which can be especially helpful for beginners who are not yet confident in their ability to tune by ear. Convenience. With a tuning app, you have a reliable tuner at your fingertips anytime, anywhere, without the need to carry additional equipment. Variety. Many apps come with features for different instruments and tuning modes, catering to a wide range of musical genres and preferences. Learning tool. For learners, these apps are not just tuning aids but also educational tools that help develop an ear for the correct pitch. Using a tuning app might seem straightforward, but here are some tips to ensure you get the most out of your tuning experience. Quiet environment. To avoid interference, tune your instrument in a quiet setting where the app can accurately pick up its sound. Start with standard tuning. If you're a beginner, start by learning how to tune your instrument to standard tuning before experimenting with alternate tunings. Regular checks. Instruments can go out of tune due to changes in temperature, humidity, or after prolonged playing. Regularly check your tuning before practice or performances. Practice tuning by ear. While tuning apps are incredibly helpful, developing the skill to tune by ear is invaluable. Use the app as a learning tool, not just a quick fix. We hope this video sheds light on the innovative world of using a tuning app and how it simplifies the tuning process for musicians around the globe. Whether you're just starting your musical journey or looking to streamline your tuning process, these apps are a fantastic resource. Remember, the goal is not just to tune your instrument but to tune your ear and deepen your musical understanding. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been an enlightening exploration into the harmonious blend of technology and music. Happy tuning!